Hello everyone on my YouTube channel, W.D.T High Performance. Thank you for tuning in today. If you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Please hit like. And today's video is not about the bumper or the side flares, about resistors. So the resistor you're going to need for when you do the headlight on this Dodge Challenger is a 50 watt 6 RJ. You get it at O'Reilly's. So this is the old one I had, but anyway, so you gotta go to O'Reilly's. You can get this at O'Reilly's where you can find it. So anyway, the video is going to show you how I hooked up the resistors, what wires you gotta splice into, where you need to go to. So that's what's going to happen. So I'm going to show you what I did. Let's go take a look underneath the hood. Go pop the hood, Dad. It needs to be washed. So, Dad, show them the tool you use to check which one to find out which one is turn signal light and which one is ground wire and which one is running lights. Alright there. So that's called a test light.
Yep, test light.
Okay, so we're not going to take it apart, but we can show you, give you an idea how to use it for doing it for yourself. So we put a clip on there. What do you call that? Like just a regular clip or something?
Yeah, it's like a piece of wire with two alligator clips.
Alligator clips, okay.
And use a
Paper clip?
paper clip here.
And here is your turning signal here.
Mm-hmm.
And this black wire right here, I'll zoom up on it, is your ground wire.
Because when you
So when you test it, so you have the headlights, well, turning signal on, and what you know, a flash.
okay. This one here is ground. It will not light up.
Well, yeah, but I don't have the headlights on, so let me turn things on. Let me turn on the turn signal, and you'll see what we're talking about. Okay, I got the turn signal thing on, but you don't see it right now. So that's how you know when it's on.
Okay, here's. Does not light up.
Okay.
Now the middle one should be your parking lights.
Okay.
I don't think you got your parking lights on.
No, I do not.
That's okay. The middle one is your parking lights.
Okay.
The outer one
Should be your turn signal.
will be your turn signal.
And see how that flashes? That's how you know. Now, when we put the... So now I put the running lights on, you'll see. So now, it's staying on instead of blinking. That's the middle one. That's your running lights, or your parking lights, want to call it. And then the one at the very end of here, it's your ground wire.
Ground wire.
So you want to hook one to your turn signal wire and one to your ground wire. See, on my ground wire is black and green, and over here it's white. And what do you say that color is right there? Like an orange or something?
It's like an orange or a red.
Or a red, but it's faded, it's old, you know. So when you so I'll plug it all back together then. It should be looking like this when you get it all hooked up. You don't have the hyper flashing or nothing. I got the link to the company where I got this from. You can check it out if you want to. But anyway, just showing you how we did this. So that's on the right side. So we can check on the left side and show you. Let's go check it out. And you can see this side right here. No hyper flash, no nothing like that. It's normal flashing. Again, same thing. Connect this to ground. You want to connect this to here. Same way how we did this one over here, you do the same over here. And by the way, you don't want to touch the resistors, they do get hot. I gotta mount them down somewhere metal. So yeah. And sometimes these can be a pain to get off. Okay, you got it off, and again, do the same thing. The one at this end here is your ground. The one in the middle, right there, is your running lights, or your parking lights, you want to call it. And this other one is your turning signal. So that's how you do the, for the LED install, when you install with the resistors, that's what you gotta do. So when you connected everything together, so on this side here, it's the turning signal wire, it's white and green, and the ground wire, it's black with a bluish color line. And yeah, so now you just connect everything back together then. Thank you. And voila, everything looks good. So if you all liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. Please click on the bell icon for more videos coming up soon. And I got a video you guys check out how I did it, how we installed everything. So anyway, check out those videos. Anyway, I hope this video helped you guys out a lot. Again, please subscribe to my channel, please hit like, and please join us on the group on Facebook. It's called W.D.T. We'd love to have you. Please be careful and be safe out there. And oh yeah, one more thing. The side flares and the bumper, I'm putting money aside to get it done. I just got a job, and yeah, so I got work and did this video. So anyway, everyone, you all take care and peace, and have a good one. And we're still working on the engine, waiting for parts though, if you're wondering. So yeah, alright, take care, God bless, bye.